This is a super quick and easy one. We're going to make one of these little patches that'll attach a couple chem lights to the top of your helmet or to whatever piece of gear you want to put them on. What you're going to need is an 1.5 inch piece of hook side Velcro. This is about 2.5 inches long. You can obviously change the sizes to fit your needs. And then you're going to want a piece of nylon that's about 1/4 inch bigger all the way around. You see, all the way around, about 1/4 inch bigger. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take this piece of nylon and just fold over all the edges just barely to clean up that edge. And we're going to tape it down with a piece of this double-sided fabric tape. We're just going to do that all the way around the edge. There we go, with all the edges folded in. It's the same size as our piece of Velcro, so that works. But before we do anything with that, we're going to take our piece of elastic and set one near the top, set one near the bottom, and we're going to sew along each side and then once down the middle. That is going to be the right size for one of my glow sticks. If you've got something bigger or smaller, then you'll need to adjust your sizing of your stitches a little bit. But each side, then down the middle, and then we'll trim off the excess. And seal the ends of our elastic and our loose threads. Final step is just to take your piece of hook side Velcro, slap it on the back, and run a stitch all the way around the outside. And there you go. Now you're ready to slap a couple glow sticks on top of your helmet. You could also slap a couple batteries in this thing if you want to have like a single glow stick and some batteries, or just a bunch of batteries, I guess. Really, these little elastic patches are pretty versatile, so you can do lots of stuff with them. But anyways, there you go.